Hi Tom, I was wondering if you know of any company where I can find classic antique elevator fixtures? There is only one. C.J. Anderson & Company. Do they have a large selection of products? A large selection is an understatement. They have various styles of car and haul stations, traveling lanterns, telephone cabinets, 180 and 360-degree dial indicators. What if someone has an old fixture that needs a makeover? Do they restore or refurbish castings too? They can do almost everything that you want when it comes to classic elevator fixtures. Visit their website cjanderson.com and see for yourself. Sounds great, I can't wait to check out some of their products. Thanks. You're welcome, have a great day.